guys, we're out here with Slider again on another obstacle. This is what we call our cake box, and obviously there's 3 tiers here. Now, for review, that's what this is with Slider, because I did this with him about a month and a half ago, and he was really fast and quick with it. And quite frankly, that could be detrimental to his safety. And if I was riding him on it, of course, it could be detrimental to mine. So the point is, I'd really like him to slow down. And again, it was long enough that who knows how much of it he even remembers or not, okay? So come along as we work through this. And just a couple things to recap. As I always say with obstacles, I prefer not to lead them up on things that are potential, in this case, hazards of falling, right? And something that I could trip on, whatever. So I'm gonna stay down on the ground and I'm gonna send him across, okay? So as I always say, I don't care about this individual obstacle. This is just opportunities to put things in place where we can check how well our communication and the things that we've been doing on the ground is actually coming together, okay? So we'll ask him to step up. You notice he's just a little fast, right? He's getting, need you to wait here, buddy, okay? And for context, this horse tends to be pretty brave when it comes to things like this. Good, good. All right, I'm gonna switch directions. Ask him, no, easy. There's that fast. Wait. Okay, so you guys see the potential here of why I'm trying to slow it down, because if he's just plowing through stuff, if I was riding him easy, that's not gonna work so well, right? So we're asking him, easy. Okay, just trying to get to slow down and wait for me, right? Wait. I want each, really when we're working on obstacles, I don't want him to think the whole thing. I want to break it down to literally one step at a time, okay? Oh, you're okay. I do, easy. Do appreciate this effort in this try, but whoa, one step at a time. Okay, and some people get a little weirded out because the horse is so much higher than them and everything. But really, that's not a huge issue to most horses. That's usually a people problem, not a horse problem. There we go. That's better. Easy. Too fast. So one of the things, this has overall been Slider's biggest thing with obstacles, is he's almost too willing. He's too forward, which is, you know, the opposite of a lot of horses. So we just have to work with what's going on. There you go. There. Just let him chill out up there, right? Let him find peace when he's slowing down. So we're teaching that cognitive thought instead of just bull rushing through things and possibly creating a dangerous environment. Okay, so he stepped off there. Yeah, thank you, buddy. Hi. Whoa, easy. Slow down. Whoa. So we'll review this some more. And as I always say with horses in general, and it sure applies with obstacles, it'll take as long as it takes, right? In other words, an obstacle course is not like a checklist of things we just gotta knock off the list. Instead, they're all opportunities to work with our horses to teach them communication, right? Teach them to trust us, teach them to follow our lead. Oh, I love that. Slow, easy, slow. As he's remembering and learning about putting his feet down, there, easy. That's much better. Starting to figure this out. Okay. Easy. Remind him here, right? We're reviewing. Whoa. Hey, buddy. If this horse was thinking about coming off the sides, then we might need to come back and review the shoulders. But he isn't doing that, right? But we're just slowing him down. Yeah, even in funky positions here, right? His front end is lower than his rear. There's a big sigh. There, so when he looks away, we'll ask him to step up again. Good boy. We'll do it one more time here. I like where he's at. Come on. That was me. That was low. I missed there a little bit. What do you think there? Yeah. Right? You're good. You're good. Good. Okay, so we've got him really slowing down and working with us. We might review this over, you know, another day or two, but to recap this, remember, you notice he's so forward. That is one of the big reasons I don't like to lead them up on things like this. If that horse was charging, well, wait, if that horse was charging forward and we're leading them, obviously we're right in front of that, and that could be causing potential problems. So I hope this helps you guys, and watching Slider work through this. We'll see you down the trail.